The world's quickest chocolate ice cream happens to be pretty healthy, all-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, nut-free, high protein, made with 2 simple ingredients and just 2 simple tools. No blender, no ice machine, but tastes so creamy and so good. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, pour a cup of a high-protein plant-based yogurt into a bowl. Along with a bar of melted dark chocolate. Next, mix it until it's super creamy and smooth. Let it cool in the freezer. And enjoy a super quick and easy and super tasty chocolate ice cream! Thanks for watching!